Have a relaxed and comfortable ride with your new FH Group Light and Breezy seat covers. Made of flat cloth polyester, these covers will fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs. They are feather light, yet surprisingly durable, and designed to protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle seat controls, including center console and cup holders. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional and heated seats and is backed by 3mm of breathable foam padding. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment, and the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Personalize your ride with FH Group's Light and Breezy seat covers. Add to your purchase matching color floor mats, steering wheel cover, and seatbelt pads for a cutting-edge combination that you and your passengers will be sure to enjoy.